Nazara from Nazarasfinecrafts, and today we're going to do a New Year's giveaway. This is the first giveaway for my channel, so I'm kind of excited. And so for the new year, we're just going to go over, sorry if you hear my son, he's in the other room. I would like to try to do a beginner's or absolute beginner's crochet video. My sister-in-law asked me, she said she wanted to learn how to crochet. She's like 4 or 5 states away from me. So this is the way that I can show her how to crochet without having to be physically next to her. But I would like to create a series to help people learn how to read patterns, read labels of yarn, different hand holding techniques, things like that when it comes to crochet. And I thought this would be a great opportunity to give away like a beginner's crochet kit. So that's what the giveaway is going to be today. It is US only. None of this is not affiliated. This is all me wanting to give to you guys. So let me go ahead and show you what we're going to be giving today. So in the video that I'm going to be posting either tomorrow or the next day, I'm still editing it, I tell you that Red Heart Super Saver is a great yarn to start with. It's easy to work with. It's not the softest yarn, but it's easy to work with and it's inexpensive, so that if you don't catch on to crocheting, which hopefully isn't the case, or you really just don't like it, then this is a yarn that you can use for other projects around the house too. So we're going to give away today 2 Super Saver stripes, Red Heart Super Saver stripes, Skeins, in Favorite Stripes. That's the color. And it's rainbow colors. So you have the blue, the purple, the orange, the green, the yellow, indigo, violet, as my son would say. So, and then the green, I think, is red. Red is the color I didn't say. But anyway, rainbow colors, which is really pretty. And for the beginner videos, we're going to be making a scarf full through. I'm going to walk you guys through it. So this would make a really cute scarf for a kid or even an adult. So 2 skeins of that. And then there's essentials. Of course, if you're crocheting, you need hooks. So I'm sending 2 different types of hooks. So there's a Susan bait hook with a sharp point there, and then there's a loops and thread hook, which is more of a curved. So it just 2 different types of hook. The Susan's Baits is an 8 or 5 millimeter, and then the loops and threads is a USI or a 5.5 millimeter hook. So 2 hooks. So that's 4 items so far. You're working with yarn, you're going to have to cut. So I'm going to include embroidery scissors from Loops and Thread as well. They're 4-inch embroidery scissors. They have comfort grip and long-lasting sharpness. I'm sorry that there's no cover on there, but these, I carry my little scissors everywhere. So these are a great thing to have. So that's 5 items, and then you can count this as 2, but I'm only going to count it as 1. So in later on projects, you're going to need yarn needles. So here's a set of 2 Loops and Thread yarn needles. And last but not least, stitch markers. So this is a little case that has 6 stitch markers in it that lock shut. So if you want to stop your project or you need to mark a place, these come in very handy. So that's 7 items altogether. So you have the stitch markers, the set of needles, the scissors, 2 separate hooks, and then 2 skeins of yarn. So that's the beginner kit for crocheting. This is for US only. And if you like, or how to enter is you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel below, or subscribe to my channel below by clicking the subscribe button below, and leave a comment. And a comment that I would like to know is, are you a new crocheter, or have you been doing this for a long time? How many years have you been doing it? This giveaway is not just for new crocheters, by the way. This is for anybody. It's not like us crocheters that have been doing it for years can't use another set of scissors, yarn needles, hooks. I lose those things all the time. So anybody can enter as long as they're in the US, and subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave that comment below. And oh, the dates. You want to know when this is going to be over. So today is January 2nd. We're going to do this as a month-long giveaway. So I will announce the winner on February 1st of 2020. So Happy New Year, and thank you for watching, and bye.